In Investing 101, lessons today are coming from wealth advisor Ed Gjertsen, the founder and CEO of Engage Wealth Group. Good to see you, Ed. The stock market is up for the year, but it's been a rocky road. What's your advice to clients?
Well, the number one question is more about uncertainty. And so what we've been guiding clients over the last several months is really trying to ground them in the concept of VUCA, right? VUCA is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. And we're telling clients that, given the administration and given some of the things that are coming across, that we are going to see volatile times. And to be okay with that, because that's generally what markets do. I mean, markets are volatile. It's been over 2 years since we've had a 20% decline in the S&P. So investors are kind of happy in regards to where the portfolios are going, and that volatility is going to come in. So it's one of the things that we're just trying to keep telling clients, that the volatility is going to increase, and that's okay, because that's just part of Investing 101.
Federal debt has been with us for decades, but there's renewed concern. What's happening?
Yeah, it's sort of a redo of the 80s in terms of headlines coming up about the federal debt and the deficit. And so from our standpoint, as we guide clients, as long as the dollar remains the world's reserve currency, as long as in the back of all of our dollar bills, right, in God we trust, as long as, those who are buying our debt trust that we'll pay it back, we're going to be okay. It's going to take a long time to whittle down any kind of federal debt that we have, but ultimately it's starting to become an issue with clients in terms of raising questions, which again is more probably a product of headlines and things like that. That's what our elected officials really need to start focusing in on.
Tax cuts could bring major changes. What do you suggest to investors?
Yeah, so when it comes to all things, as we tell our clients, we love when our clients pay taxes. That means you've done something right. We just don't want to have you pay a nickel more than you have to. So there's a lot of focus on the 2017 Tax Cut and Jobs Act. And so we think now with this administration coming in, there's not going to be a lot of abrupt changes in terms of the tax code, but it's something are always on the mind of our clients. And we try to be as good stewards as we can of their obviously investing money, but we also want to have them be very, very tax efficient. So we're keeping a sharp eye on all things taxes this year.
Always a pleasure. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Angie. Great to be with you.